Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's Saturday, everyone is sleeping. I'm getting ready for work. I'm doing something, I wanted to say I'm doing something simple, but this is not really simple. But I'm gonna do this look. I'm gonna put my earbuds on so you'll hear music. But this is a palette from Colorina Makeup Studio. Looks like this. And one of my cousins in Puerto Rico sent it to me. I had picked up a few things that I had shown you guys before, but I haven't tried this one, so I wanted to try this one. It is like a smoky kind of transitioning into fall with the fall summer colors, and then just smoking it out a little bit. I do love how it turned out. There is a little bit of fallout, but nothing, you know, like dramatic or drastic. So this is the look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you're new here, I would love you to hit that subscribe button, hit the little bell so you're notified when my next video goes up. Everybody else, thank you so much for coming back, and let's get into it. So that's how it looks. Tell me what you think. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna be trying to do more makeup looks in between like the hauls and stuff, but it's still pretty hot, so I haven't really done too many like smoky looks. But it's starting to get cooler. Like I feel it in the mornings, I feel it in the evenings, but then in the middle of the day it's still hot. So let me know what you think, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.